You're getting me wet. Watch out.
Oh, Papa.
Where did he go now? Did he go inside for a minute?
I see you.
Oh, he's over there.
Hi. Watch your step. Watch out for the pool. Good girl. Sure, I'll try.
I don't see her. I lost her. I don't know where she's at. Where is she go? I hear her. Talking to Grandpa, I hear her. We come, okay. She's going to get Grandpa.
You want me to try?
Okay.
Okay, buckwheat.
You try?
You want to try?
Okay.
Okay. You gotta be a little more gentle. You gotta scoop it up, hold it steady, and then pour it in. Yeah, that's not gonna get it done. It's a good try. You want me to show you? Watch. Scoop it up like this, then take it, pour it in. Okay? A little better. Almost. There, let me put it in here.
I'll try. Cup. Okay.
Good reach.
Yes, you're doing better.
You gotta get the water in it.
You try? You try?
Oh, thank you. Okay, let me turn off.